Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Dr. Rajesh Kashyap. Today, I'm going to talk about the jQuery. So, what exactly the jQuery? Everybody is having a mind jQuery. What exactly I'm going to do with the jQuery? So, jQuery is nothing but a programming language which is being used as in JavaScript functions. So, it is a one kind of function which is being used. So, for how we are going to work on the jQuery, how we are going to display the content of the jQuery, so that I want to showcase in this particular program. So for first of all, I'm not going to talk about what exactly the jQuery, but today I'm going to talk about how I'm supposed to execute my jQuery program. So first I'm going to show you that how we are going to use. So first we have to install the update the server or run our server. So if you look, my control panel is XAMPP is running over here, but I have not started my server. So I'm going to start my server. So it is going to start with the Apache HTTP server, and then once it has been loaded, so then I'm going to start my MySQL. So this is what the database which is required to run jQuery program or the Ajax related program. So that moment of time we must have to start my server. So once it is installed or once it is started the server on my machine, I'm supposed to check I'm supposed to check with the browser that whether my machine is working properly or not. So just have to check with the browser, and I'm going to start with the browser. So this is what the browser, and what I do, I'll start with localhost so that I'll check that whether it is working or not. Yeah, so when this index page of the localhost is being displayed, the XAMPP, Apache, MariaDB plus PHP plus Perl is the main page of the this XAMPP server. So I'll check with the my admin panel of the XAMPP server. So I've just opened PHP my admin, so through which I'm going to start and I'm going to run this particular programs. So see, then when my PHP admin is loaded, so it is coming with all the information which is into this particular PHP admin, right? So what I can do, I have to showcase the databases which are available into my existing databases. So these are the databases which is already available in this particular machine. Now I have to move to this JavaScript jQuery functions or jQuery program which I have created, that I am supposed to keep into the folder of this particular XAMPP server. So I'm stopping this server, this page, and I will go into my sharing with my folder. So I'll go to the this folder. Here is my jQuery folder. I'm going to make a copy, and now I'm supposed to move to the C drive. So if you look, I'm into the C drive of my machine, and I'm going to open this XAMPP server folder. So I have opened this XAMPP server folder, wherein there are the several folder which is by default it is been created into my XAMPP server. So these are the folder is been created once you are going to install the XAMPP server into your machine. So these are the things which is required. Now which is the folder? The folder name is htdocs is the name of the folder where I'm supposed to keep my programs. So here what I'll do, I'll make a paste of this particular folder. So my data is going to be copied from this particular, and that is I'm going to execute the program from the server. So if you're going to search, I'm going to find into my browser. So I'll stop this sharing. I'll open the browser. Then I'm going to check whether it is this file is available or not. Right. So I'll open this, and now it is available. Right. So I'll check my jQuery folder is available on the server or not. So I'll type jQuery. Okay, so it is, yeah. So this is what jQuery folder is available on my server. So that's why it is displaying the entire, because if you look into this, here is the local host slash jQuery. I have not written the entire path, c colon, then xam, then stdocs, then jQuery, then I'm not doing this. So if I want to start with this jQuery programs, so you will see jQuery, yeah. So I'll open a one program. So this is a program which is saying this is a heading, this is a paragraph, this is another paragraph, and here is a button called click me. So I'll try to click on this particular, and I'm going to see that what is going to happen if I'm going to click on this. So see, just have a look. So once I clicked, what happened? Two of my paragraph is been hidden. So when I have clicked on this, so how it is has been done, how it take the place. So I'm going to look into the code part. So it is going to open. Probable it is, if you look, it is visible to you or not. Just let me increase the size. Yeah. So what I have written into this particular code, doc type, HTML, head. Under the head section, what I have included this jQuery file into my page, because I'm going to use the functionality which is available into the jQuery folder, right? So script src, and this is what the cdn, this is called cdn, content development network. So where my information or the functions and their definition is stored into my this. So this is what http colon forward slash ajax dot googleapps.com slash ajax slash lib slash jquery slash 1.10.2 slash jquery dot min dot js. So this is the path which I have given to my script source, that I want to include this particular file which is available on the Google server of ajax.googleapps.com. Then I have closed this script. Then again I have started the script for my function. So what is the function? Dollar document dot ready. So dollar is the prefix which I have to include in whenever I'm going to use my jQuery function. So document dot ready and the function. So function I'm calling means what? When document is ready, means when my page is ready, means my the content of my page has been loaded into my page, then you have to execute the function. So what is the function? The curly braces started, means I'm going to into the definition of this particular function. In the function it is written dollar button dot click. What exactly the button dot click means? There is a button into my HTML page, and when the button is being clicked, means this is an event. So button is going to be clicked by the user, and then one function is supposed to be executed. The function is being called. Then function definition, I'm entering into the function definition. Then what is happening? Dollar p, P is your element selector of your HTML pages. So all the P is going to be hide. Means what? I am hiding the paragraphs which is available into my page. So when button is going to be clicked, the paragraph of that particular page is supposed to be hidden. So that is what the concept behind this. Then script is closed. For this function, head section is closed. Body is open. See h2, and h2 is, this is a heading, h2 closed. Then one first paragraph, this is a paragraph. The second paragraph, this is another paragraph. Then here is the button tag, right, which I have called over here button, and the value which is displayed on the button is click me, which you have seen into this particular example. So when this button is being clicked, these are the two paragraph which is available on the page that is being hidden. So again I'll go to the page and I'll see, I'm going to reload my page. This is what? This is the heading. So h2, this is the first paragraph, this is the second paragraph, and this is the button which is having the value click me. So again I'm going to click on this, and then it zoom, it's disappear. So this is what the beauty of this particular jQuery. Again I'll check with some another program into this. So what I'll do, I'll check with some another programs. So jQuery, and then what I'll do, I'll run the program with Ajax, or I'll see some of the DOM related program, so you'll understand these are the program. See, so what is this? This is a program wherein I want to insert something before and after. So I'm just clicking on the button insert before, and it is inserted before. So without loading my page, the content of the page has been changed. I'm going to click on the after. So it is inserting some content after. Again before, again after, or before. So it has been changing, means it is appending, and it is the content has been prepend and append. So just go to the code of this particular page so that you will understand. Again the same doc type html head script which I have written to include that particular page. Script goes here, you see the code document.ready function has button1 dot click. So there is a id called btn1. So I might have used id as a btn1 into my html page, on which once I am going to click, a function is being called, and the definition of function is what it is saying, whatever the dollar image. So wherever the image tag will be there, then I'm calling before, and I'm inserting a text called before into the bold font. So what is going to happen? Image, whatever the image is being loaded, before this text is going to be inserted. Then the another button is has btn2. So the another button which is going to be an id of btn2. Then when I'm clicking on this particular, the image tag is after is the name of the function, wherein I'm inserting some text is after with italic feature. So that's why it is being displayed. If you look into the program, script close head code body image source equal to this alternate f1 width 100% height 140. We have inserted two line, then button id equal to btn1 which I am calling here, and id equal to btn2 which I am calling here. So once these button are being clicked, these are the two function is being executed, and then I've seen this example on your machine. So I'm again going to load my page, and you have to see insert after, and after is in italic font. Again after is in italic font. Before is with a bold face and bold face. See, this is the one of the example of handling the DOM related jQuery. Another program I just want to showcase to you is related to, I'll see the events, check the events, hide. So I'll execute this, and this is what hiding the content of my page. Again I'll show you. Then page is loaded. When I'm going to click on the hide, this is going to load after some few seconds of time. So I'll check with the source. Yeah, again I'm not going to repeat this part. Document.ready function, button.click function, paragraph to be hidden after 1000 milliseconds. So this is the time is parameter as I'm passing. So this is what the speed. So 1000 it is going to execute, but after 1000 millisecond. 1000 millisecond means after 1 second. So if you look button, the name of the button is hide. The paragraph is first paragraph, second paragraph. So because I'm calling, all the paragraph is to be hidden once this page is being button is being clicked. So see the example again. I'm loading my page, so I'll just load. This is what, and once I click, yeah, so that's it. I want to share with you people, and thank you for watching the another video of mine.